I fixed the exhaust issue. That was a pain in the ass, let me tell you. So she's almost done. I got to put a new tube in the front tire and I think polish it up, and that's about it. Then she can get covered up and wait till the warm spring. So the issue, as we talked about earlier, was a big ass wireless exhaust. Well, if you look here, that has been dealt with. Put a new pipe in, sealed it all up, put a clamp on it, and put some stuff to goop it together, dried, so it seals really well, no exhaust leaks. I also was able to put new studs on the front. They're not the original chrome ones here, as you can tell, but now there's 2 bolts and they're locked together, not Loctite. And no more it leaks here because I could tighten it up, and that compressed the fitting quite well. Crush washer. And so here's the first test after it has dried. So we turn on. Show goes on because it's about 45 degrees out here. Now it's in a sealed garage. I can't run it very long, but man, she sounds great. What do you think? You think a good job? Because she's cleaning up real well and she sounds great. Only about 16,000 miles on it. She has these beautiful white gauges. So, and all the lights work now. The neutral works. The fluids have all been changed. It's just going to be a really nice bike. I'm going to ride it a couple of times and then I'll put it up for sale. And once I'm done with it, and it'll be someone else's, and it'll be back on the road instead of a landfill or scrap or parts. I think it's great. It's a Virago 1100 from 1995. To be continued.